Hello children, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Uh, Exercise 2.4 up to 4th bit completed. Now we have to do 5th bit. Before going to solve the 5th bit, factorize the 5th bit, first we'll go for one example. I will show you how to factorize the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. We know how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. Now we have to do the cubic polynomial. How to factorize? For this, how many quadratic polynomial? How many factors we have? 2 factors. Same way, cubic polynomial. How many factors we have? 3. According to the degree. If degree 3, 3 factors. If degree 4, 4 factors. Now, how we have 2 methods for this. I will explain 2 methods. Then, which is easy for you, that only you choose and do it. Okay. Now, we will go for the constant in this x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. In this, what is the constant? Minus 120. Minus 120 factors. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, so on up to plus or minus 60. Even 120 also possible, but we are not taking up to plus or minus 60 we are taking. In this, first I am assuming, suppose x minus 1, that means x is equal to 1. X minus 1 is a factor. Just I am assuming it is. X minus 1 is a factor. That whatever the given polynomial you take as p of x is equal to x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. In this, x minus 1 is a factor means what is x value here? 1. I am assuming let x minus 1 is a factor, then x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. Applying this, p of 1 is equal to 1 cube 1 minus 1 square is 1, 23 into 1, 23 only, plus 142 into 1, no change, 142 only, and last one constant 120. What are the positive terms in this? 142 and 1. 142 plus 1, it's 143 minus negative terms minus 23 minus 120, it's a minus 143. 143 minus 143, what is answer? 0. Yes, it is a factor. In previous class we discussed if it is 0 then it's a factor. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. If not equal to 0 then automatically x minus 1 is not a factor. But here is equal to 0. We assumed x minus 1 is a factor. Then finally what we got? X minus 1 is a factor. Because we got is equal to 0. One factor we got. More. How many we have to find? More. 2 we have to find. First method I will explain here. What is the given polynomial? Just change it. Just adjustment. How to change it? I will show you. X cube minus, this term I will change 23 as minus x square minus 22 x square. I am changing minus 23 x square as minus x square minus 22 x square. If add, you will get minus 23 x square only. Now 142 also change like 22. First, because here 22 is present, 22x plus 120x. Constant no change, minus 120. Now observe children, from the first 2 terms, what is the common term? X square is the common. What is remaining? X minus 1. And second 2 terms, what is the common term in this? Minus 22x. What is remaining again here? X minus 1. Last 2 terms, in this 120 common, what is remaining? X minus 1. In the all the terms, what is the common thing now? X minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. Right outside, completely take outside. Then x minus 1 into what is the remaining in first term? X square. In middle minus 22x plus 120 plus 120. Now x minus 1 separated, we got now quadratic polynomial again, x square minus 22x plus 120. Now normal factorization. Before previous class we discussed how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. That we can do it now. What is here? X square. This only we will do now. X square minus 22x plus 120. What is the constant here? 120. 120 factors. What is the middle term here? 22. 120 factors are 12 into 10. Middle term is what is? Minus 22. How to write? Minus 12 minus 10. It's a minus 22. Here also change minus 12 and minus 10. If you multiply, you get plus 120. Minus 12 into minus 10 is equal to what is? Plus 120. If add minus 12 and minus 10, we will get minus 22. Split the term now. X square minus first term minus 12x minus 10x second term and plus 120, no change. In this first two terms, what is the common? X common, x minus 12, and second two terms minus 10 is a common, x minus 12. Here again x minus 12 common, x minus 12 into x minus 10. Now how many factors here? X minus 12 and x minus 2. Two factors. Here already we know x minus 1 is a factor. According to this cubic polynomial, how many factors are there? Three factors present. One is x minus 1, x minus 12 and x minus 10. Therefore, finally what we have to write? How many factors are there for this one? Three factors. Therefore, the factors are x minus 1, x minus 10 and x minus 12. Total 3 factors are present. This is the first method. Now we will go for the second method also. Now second method, we know already the factors of minus 120. Just now we got x minus 1 also factor. That means if you apply x is equal to 1, you got the total 0. Now using the division method, we will solve. Okay, first we have to find quotient, then quotient splitting. First x minus 1 is a factor. We know that given polynomial x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Now we will go for the division method. What is here? First term x cube. What is left side here? X. What we have to multiply? X into x square. X into x square. What is x power 1? According to laws of exponents, what is answer here? X cube. Write it first in quotient. I am writing here quotient. X square. X into x square. It is x cube. And second term also there here. In the place of divisor, that is minus 1. Minus 1 into x square. Minus x square. That's minus x square. Now subtracting this. After subtracting, minus and here also minus. Minus into plus, it's minus only. Minus into minus will become plus. First term x cube cancel. What is the remaining in the second term? Plus x square minus 23x square. It's a minus 22x square. The remaining same 142x minus 120. Now what is the remainder place? First term is minus 22x square. We have only x. Now minus 22. In the quotient place minus 22x. I am writing here x into minus 22x. X into minus 22x. It's a minus 22x square. Minus 22x square. And next minus 1 into minus 22. That's minus into minus. First write the plus. It's 22x. Now again subtracting this. In this subtraction, what is here? Minus minus. Minus into minus. It's a plus term. Cancel this term. Minus into plus. Minus 142 minus 22. That is 120x. Next constant, no change, 120 only. Now in the remainder place, what is there again? 120x. Here x into just 120. What is answer? X into 120? It's a 120x. Right here. What is here? 120. X into 120. It's a 120x. And second term, minus 1 into 120. It's a minus 120. Children, observe both are same now. Can cancel completely. Cancel. The remainder is 0. We know x minus 1 is a factor. Then automatically we will get remainder 0. Now see the quotient. What is the quotient here? X square minus 22x plus 120. X square minus 22x plus 120. What type of polynomial it is? Quadratic polynomial. From this we have to find again two factors. We know how to factorize splitting the middle term. Just now we did the same way again. X square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. X into x common here. X minus 12 minus 10 common. X minus 12. X minus 12 common again. What is remaining here? X minus 10. Same answer we got, I think. First one, x minus 1 is a factor. Now x minus 12, x minus 10. Therefore, finally what is here? Therefore, the factors of x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 122 is x minus 1. That is the first one. Second one is x minus 10. And next one is x minus 12. Total 3 factors because the degree is 3. This is a way to solve second method. Children, which is easy for you, that you can choose and solve the question. Exercise 2.4 up to 4th bit completed. Now after seeing the watching the video, you have to complete 5th bit also.